All right, so here we are, guys. Here we are. We're here to make a titanium exhaust that is ideally louder than the customer's aftermarket exhaust that they have on the car already. On top of that, we're gonna make some slash cut, not slant, slash cut titanium tips that are burned gold, just because I think that'll match the car perfectly. So here we go. Yeah, let's get started. Right now, we are going to weld this scrap piece of 2.5-inch titanium to this side and this side, so that we can create, you know, the science experiment we all did in middle school, where it's like, you know, but really it's so I can put this in the vise and clamp it here and cut here and cut here. These are much smaller, so that's good. What do you think?
If you're gonna bring them out and have them centered here, then it has to go like way.
Yeah, but I can put another straight section after the first 2 pies.
Oh, you're doing straight?
Pie straight, most likely.
So 3 straights, 2 pies?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep. I feel like 4 is too close. 3.5.
Yeah, I think it's like 3.5.
Okay.
Torque's good.
Oh, that's how you know it's good. You know what I'm saying? That's how you know this. Oh, that's nice. Okay. All right, so we got some tips for this GT3 with the socket design for the ball that's on the car. That way, like, you know, if I want to put one tip like this, one tip like this, I can do that. Or like one tip like this, one tip like this, I can do that. Or just delete the tips, I can do that too. We just slant cut them to match the diffuser angles. Not for any aerodynamic purpose, but just aesthetic purpose. And so now that I've shaped them in the sander, which was a terrible idea, I'm gonna sand the outsides and then brush them and then repolish them and then burn them, and then we should be done. So let's do it. He said brushed.
Yep.
Seriously?
I like the brush.
The easier finish? Say less. Much better than when we started. Okay, so the tips are done. What do we move on to next? I don't know. Maybe finishing, maybe not. It's gonna look really good on that.
Yeah.
I think anything past gold is gonna look weird. It's gonna look like sand color, you know? Flashy. If it is uneven, it is your job.
See?
Okay, so here we are today with our lead engineer, Lynn. Okay. He looks like a lead engineer, right? Yeah, I get that a lot. And so we're going from the sole exhaust, it's valved, because the customer is complaining that the valve control more or less does nothing. It sounds very similar with the valve open versus the valve closed. which is kind of odd to hear. Maybe the valve just didn't work at all. However, she also wanted to get a nice Alibaba exhaust because it looked cool and it was titanium, but I just said no, we'll just make one because it's quadruple the price, but at least it's made in America, you know. Woo! So here we are, we have titanium now. We go from like, you know, trumpet to megaphone to trumpet, back to megaphone. So we got some like reduction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponential, integral equations. And we end up at these lovely gold tips that everyone's gonna love. And it's the only thing anybody's gonna care about. Honestly, I can make this out of plastic as long as the tips are gold. Lynn, this was supposed to be your video, you know, just like that. Pan back to lead engineer, let's get his thoughts.